What's up, guys? Soul Snatcher 55 here. Ooh, it is very warm outside. It's the middle of winter. Very, very warm. But my last video. Okay, let me just get straight to the point. We have a competitor. She lives downstairs. She lives in number 2. I live in number 8. And if she gets more likes than us, that proves that she's better. But I know that you guys would never let me down like that. So we're going to get more likes than her. Yes. Yeah. But it is very noisy today. Very noisy. There's lots of traffic and helicopters and people. Helicopters be like, nah. But we have a competitor. If she gets more likes than us, I'm gonna cry so much. It's gonna cry all over the place. It's gonna be like, it's gonna flood the whole city. She gets more likes than us. So we need some likes. So I woke up this morning and I tended to watch Popular MMO instead of DanTDM. Like, what was I thinking? You know how awesome it would be to meet DanTDM? Like, that's my lifelong dream. Just to at least spend 5 minutes in the same room, or, that would be so awesome. Yeah. Well, like I said, it's very noisy today. Oh yay, the traffic's cutting down. And it's getting a little bit quieter. A little bit. Christian won't be attending us today because he's at his mom's work. Soul Snatcher 55 here, taking your soul.